Hey guys, it's Regular Set. So I'm doing multiple looks with one palette. This is the second time I've done a look on camera with the Milani Pure Passions. I used 4 shades out of here. This one to set my lid, this one for the crease, this one for the outer V and the deeper in my crease, and this all over the inner half of my lid, as well as this underneath and this in the corner and on my brow bone. So that is all I did for the look today. I'm going to try and see how many looks that I can get out of this one palette with these various shades, so that I can not only see how versatile it is, but to show others maybe that need something quick and easy to do makeup in the morning, to get out the door, that kind of stuff. That is what my kind of goal is for this. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will be discussing everything that is on my face, be it the lipstick, the mascara, the blush, highlight, contour, that kind of stuff will be listed in the description box below. So hopefully you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, it's Rebecca Brissett. So the other day I posted a video about the Milani Pure Passions palette. I did a look using several of these shades and I wanted to see how many different looks that I could get out of just one palette. And that got me to thinking, okay, well, what can I do that is 10 minutes or less that just about anybody can do, whether you have to rush out the door for work or school or a doctor's appointment, because I know when I used to go to doctor's appointments like all the time, I wanted to look nice and I wanted to have my makeup done. So I wanted something that I could throw on really quick, or in between red lights I could throw a color on, that kind of thing. So I did a really simple look using just 4 shades out of this palette. And of course I had already done concealer, blush, highlight, contour, lipstick, and 1 coat of mascara before I started that. And the reason why I do mascara before my eye makeup is because if you look, I have really long natural lashes, top and bottom. And when I go to put eyeshadow on, it's hard to see where my lashes are because they get covered in the powder from the eyeshadow. So I put 1 layer of mascara on first so that not only can I see my lashes, but I can see exactly what it's going to look like behind my lashes. And then of course I go back over it again once I finish my eye makeup. And I have really hooded lids. Now I'm tall. I stand up to do these videos, unlike other YouTubers that sit down. I'm standing this whole time. I'm standing just about every video that you see me in. I am standing. So I am 5'9.5", and when I look straight forward, you only see like just the smallest bit of my lid. So basically right where my pinky is about all that shows if I look straight forward. That's on this side. On this side, it is completely hooded because I've had a stroke. My face isn't symmetrical anymore. And of course your face is never symmetrical, but one side of my face is higher than the other. One side is definitely more hooded than the other. I have a hard time with wing liner just because of my eye shape, and if I start at the corner of my eyes and go out, I always end up with like a funny looking J for wing liner. I've never been able to get it to look straight. I've tried the card trick, I've tried tape, I've tried all kinds of things. So that is where I'm coming from. I want to try and do more looks with this palette and break them down into really quick, simple makeup looks that only take 3 or 4 colors. I literally use this many brushes. So this one was used to set the lid. It's got hair on it. So there's this one. This is what I use to blend, crease, and then this is what I use for the shimmer, which I did get wet with water. I ran some water in the sink and got it damp with that. And that's it. That's all I did. I used 4 brushes and then 2 eyeliners. One is in Get Paid from ColourPop, but the thing, when I went to use it on my waterline, it kept crumbling and the pieces kept falling in my eye. So I had a hard time with that. And then I use Mythology on my top line, which is a waterproof gel eyeliner. So it's not a very sharp line, but it's enough to darken the roots of my lashes. And it's got shimmer in it, which all of my lid is shimmer. So hopefully that explains this a little bit better. And I picked up a new color, Riche. This is in Glassy Garnet. I like the formula. Don't get me wrong. I do like the formula. But this color in particular bleeds really bad. And my lips are not symmetrical. So if I get lip color all the way out here, but my lip stops up here because my bottom lip isn't even right here. So even if I wipe off the color from there, next time I close my mouth all the way, I get color here and it's stains. So this lipstick, you can put it on in the morning, drink 2 cups of coffee, brush your teeth, get dressed, that kind of stuff, and you're still wearing lip color. All you have to do is just refresh it just a little bit because it stains and it stays there. It stays put for at least 4 hours from what I've noticed. So I noticed the other one that I have, this is in Varnished Rosewood. This one doesn't feather or bleed like the red one. So I think with the red one I might have to use a clear lip liner on it. Even though I don't care for lip liners, I do have a few. I will have to try using one to see if I can get it to stop bleeding on my lips. So we'll see how that works out, but hopefully you enjoy the video.